I think this is a very opportune day when the book is being released for two reasons. One is that it is a Air Force Week and a celebration of our armed forces. But more than that, it is also opportune because you know what nation is going through today, and the soldier requires as much encouragement and celebration as possible. Nation has to stand behind him and give him all the moral support, and for the air chief to come forward and put a great soldier and a poet in the center stage has been a commendable thing. We have very talented soldiers, and only the best come and join the armed forces. Most beautiful thing about this is that Air Force gives you that respect and environment for all your talents to come forward. Today when he dons the stars and goes and fights the battle, he's all out and dedicated in doing that. But when he's preparing for the battle, he is also pursuing a lot of his other interests equally. And I think today everything has come together so wonderfully because Group Captain Randhir Singh was not an ordinary man. He was excellent soldier and he dedicated his life to armed forces. On top of that, he is one of the finest writers India has ever produced. He could be the next Shakespeare of India. Only thing is, by Sahitya Academy translating his work in Hindi, we have taken the first step to take his work across the country because it is a national language. Now the next step is to translate it in English and take it to the world and take the thought of such a great writer across the world.